paragraph is a group of sentences about a topic. A typical paragraph begins with a topic sentence, which introduces the topic. The supporting sentences that follow the support idea in the topic. Sentence with explanations, reasons, and/or details. The concluding sentence brings the paragraph to an end. The topic sentence. The topic sentence is usually the first or second paragraph. It introduces a new idea. It presents the topic and explains what writer about the topic. This explanation is called sentence in a will say the. Controlling idea. Supporting sentences. Supporting sentences add information about the controlling idea. Supporting sentences can include definitions, explanations, and examples. The concluding sentence. The concluding sentences or final sentence. A paragraph usually reminds the reader of the topic and controlling idea of the paragraph. The concluding sentence restates the main idea. In addition to the main idea, the concluding sentence may warn the reader, make a prediction, give an opinion, quotation, restate the main idea. Unity. A paragraph must have unity. A paragraph has unity when all the sentences support a single idea. The details explain the supporting main idea. The concluding sentence should end the paragraph with a same idea. Thus, a unified paragraph presents a though, support it with the adequate details and completes it with a conclusion. Coherence in a paragraph. A paragraph must have a coherence. Coherence means establishing a relationship between the idea presented a rationale in the arrangement of the ideas which are introduced either in the chronological order or in the order of importance. Besides transitions paragraph, it brings about that compare, contrast, illustrate, add or show cause and effect, build logical bridges. The idea, thus, expressed in the paragraph, flows smoothly from one to the other in a logical sequence. This helps the reader to understand the paragraph. Writers often use time, space, or order of importance to present the supporting information in a paragraph coherently. Descriptive paragraph. A descriptive paragraph describes a person, place, thing, or feeling so that the reader can picture it in his or her mind when he gives an impression of something. Topic sentence. The topic sentence in a descriptive paragraph introduces the item that the writer will describe. It may also include the writer's general feeling or opinion about the item. Supporting sentence. These supporting sentences give some background information about the item. These supporting sentences also describe in more details how the writer feel about the item. R. It relates to five senses: touch, smell, sound, taste, sight, laughing, salty music, people, toys, children, water, air, sand, food, sweet, heat, hot, dogs, crying bitter. Concluding sentence. The paragraph ends with a concluding sentence that restates the idea in the topic sentence using different words. Use adjective in descriptive. Process analysis paragraph. A process paragraph describes the steps necessary to perform a process or task. Then, explain the steps. In chronological order, the order of events as they happen over time. Special time words or phrases allow you to tell the reader when a particular step occurs. You list or the process analysis paragraph ends with a specified result, something at the end of the process. Topic sentence. The topic sentence introduces the process that the writer will explain. Supporting sentence. The middle sentences describe a sequence of steps that give detailed info about the stages of the process. These sentences may also give background details that help define the process for the reader. To explain this process useful or necessary. Supporting sentences may also include the tools needed for the task. Concluding sentence. The paragraph ends with a concluding sentence that restates the topic sentence using different words. This sentence may also include a suggestion or warning to help the reader do the task more easily. Sattada use. Time order and transition words in process analysis paragraph. Opinion paragraph. Opinion paragraph expresses the writer's opinion. The writer presents an opinion and tries to persuade readers that the opinion is a one good. The writer tries to make reader agree with him or her. Topic sentence. The topic sentence introduces the topic and slates the writer's opinion about the topic. Supporting sentence. The middle sentences give reasons that support the writer's opinion. Writers often use facts, explanation, and personal experience to support their opinion. Concluding sentence. The last sentence restates the writer's opinion in different words. It also comments on the opinion in some way. The concluding sentence sometimes summarizes the main reason of the writer's opinion.